in Sapphire Kingdom Gemology YouTube channel. This is our lesson number 82. L space 82 in English. L82. In this lesson, let's learn and memorize the inclusions of Myanmar Sapphire. Myanmar. You know the new name of Myanmar. Very famous sapphires in the world. Myanmar Sapphires. L82. Join us, learn well, join the gem business and enrich your future. Enrich your future. Subscribe, give like and share. Share to all our youth. This is free lesson series in English. Okay, we are moving to inside. In here, the cover photo, I included one of the inclusions we have to remember. Let's learn about the inclusions in Myanmar's gemstones and let's remember them. Subscribe, like, and share. In here, I have mentioned in this cover photo, parallel twinning and cracks associated to it in reflected light, inside the reflected light in the Burmese sapphire. We are moving to inside of the lesson. Look at this. Inside here, you can see the silk. This is called a rutile silk. Rutile silk and lot of platelets. Small platelets. Try to understand. These are the platelets. See. Platelets. These called platelets. These lines are called silk lines. Rutile silk lines. Titanium oxide lines and platelets. This is unheated Burmese sapphire. You can identify this as unheated. These are the platelets and rutile silk. So this is very easy to remember. Easy to remember. Now we can see this gem is unheated and the Burma. Origin is Burma. We are moving to next. Look at this. Here also rutile silk. You can see the rutile silks and platelets. The smallest dust-like things are platelets. So this is also same like this. Look at the differences, no differences. All are mentioned in the rutile silk and platelets in an unheated Burmese sapphire. What is this? It is a fingerprint. This is a fingerprint inside the Burmese sapphire. Primary and secondary inclusions are here. All inclusions are included with the fluid inside the small fingerprint inclusions. There are fluid included there. Fluid. This fluid must be or maybe carbon dioxide or H2O, water. Water or carbon dioxide fluid is filled with these inclusions in Myanmar sapphire. It is a fingerprint. It is primary and secondary fluid inclusions. This fingerprint completes with fluid inclusions in primary and secondary fluid inclusions. So remember this also. We are moving. Here, there are beautiful inclusion we learned earlier. Lot of time. Partially healed fluid feather. It is a fluid feather in reflection fiber optic illumination. The lighting condition here is reflection fiber optic illumination in an unheated Burmese sapphire. We can see and remember this. Now move into next. It is a you can remember easily. It is a feather in unheated Burmese sapphire. Look at the folded fluid feather. Fluid, fill of fluid, and this folded fluid feather is remarkable. We can identify this as origin is Burmese. What's this here? Parallel twinning and cracks associated to it in reflected light. The lighting condition is reflected light in a Burmese sapphire. See and try to understand. Parallel twinning is there. Twinning. Parallel twinning is there. In next lesson, we will learn about ruby inclusions in Mogok and Namya, Myanmar. In the next lesson, we are learning ruby inclusions in Mogok and Namya in Myanmar. It is lesson number 83. Please subscribe, give like, and share to all our youth. Join us, learn well, and join the gem industry and enrich your future. We are stopping now.